attention to detail. Aaron here. My client Julius wanted us to do a vehicle feature on his 2022 C8 Corvette, and I wanted to walk you through the process in which we took this vehicle from start to finish. Most of you may know that a vehicle at this caliber does not come from the factory or the showroom looking this glossy. Here at Attention to Detail, we add so much gloss and shine to your vehicle, you're going to be riding in style. Let me show you around and what we did. Come take a peek. On every vehicle when it comes into our shop, we always start off with a wash and decontamination. In our shop, we call it a decon. We're going to do a full foam wash on the vehicle. We're taking care of the paint, the trim, the rims, tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, every single thing on this vehicle. We're getting in the cracks and crevices with a detail brush, getting up in every single nook and cranny that we physically can see on the vehicle to remove as much dirt as possible before we go ahead and decontaminate the vehicle. When we decontaminate a vehicle, what we do is an iron decontamination. What the iron decon does is it removes any iron particles, brake dust, road grime from the vehicle. And then we do a clay bar treatment to remove any embedded contaminants in the paint. Now, a clay bar, you probably have heard of it, but sometimes you don't really know what exactly it's doing. But when you have stuff that you can feel on your paint, it kind of sounds like sandpaper, like a shh when you're taking your hand on the paint. We're actually removing that. It's not something you can really see, but you can hear and you can also feel. Now, on Julius's Corvette, after that entire process, we did something called wax off. What wax off is it's a product from South Korea. I don't know any other shops around that are using wax off. And what wax off does is it removes any waxes, any sealants, and it actually opens up the pores of your paint to accept the ceramic coating. What ceramic coating is it's a sacrificial layer on your paint to protect from tar, tree sap, acidic rain, harmful UV rays, and paint overspray, and so much more. And the ceramic coating, how it bonds so it's warranted for 7 years plus, is when we put the ceramic coating on and we hand apply it to your paint, it is filling in the clear coat and it hardens to a glass-like structure inside of your clear coat. It's actually chemically bonding. If your pores of your paint are not open and they're all closed, when you go to put that ceramic coating on your vehicle, it's going to sit on top and it's not going to last the full 7 years. Which is why here at Attention to Detail, that wax off process is something that we are known for. It comes from South Korea and it is the bee's knees. Then, after that, we bring it to our paint correction bays and we do a multi-stage paint correction. We will never remove too much clear coat, but we always want to remove as many swirls and light scratches, oxidation, and other defects in the clear coat as we can before we put this permanent ceramic coating layer on the vehicle surface. Now, we start off with a heavy cut. The heavy cut with a polisher is going to remove any deeper swirls, deeper scratches. Then we do a medium cut to remove any car wash swirls, any swirls or light scratches that the dealership will put in the vehicle. And then our polish, which is the creme de la creme of the whole process. Our polish is going to give your vehicle this mirror-like, candy-like, glossy reflection. After that, we put our 7-year warranted butterfly ceramic coating on. It is called our showroom package. We also put Fireball Aegis on your trim, headlights, taillights, front grille, black plastics, mirrors, chrome, emblems, your rims, your tires, and all of your windows ceramic coated. Here at Attention to Detail, we only do it right, and that's why we're the only trusted name in Northwest Indiana for paint protection, paint correction, ceramic coatings, window tinting, and so much more. We do all of our quoting in person. Please feel free to fill out a form. Click the Get Quote button or Free Quote button down below. We will reach out to you as soon as possible. We guarantee within 2 minutes of you filling out that form that somebody will be in touch with you. Again, my name is Aaron. And all of our quoting is done in person, so we want to make sure that we give your vehicle the absolute top-notch treatment here at A2D. Our experience is one to remember. We make it as personable as possible from the minute that you walk in for the first time to the minute that you walk out with your vehicle, or should I say ride out. You can reach me at 219-295-0529. Again, 219-295-0529. 0529. Also, you can shoot me a text to my personal cell line, 708-400-1058. Thank you so much, Julius. We really appreciate your business, and we hope you enjoy your brand new C8 Corvette, ceramic coated by Attention to Detail. Have a great one. Aaron, out.